Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KR Lakam CBSE School Moodle online classes. In previous class, we completed third problem of exercise 7.2. So now I will continue with fourth problem. Here, the fourth problem what they are given here. Find the ratio in which find the ratio. So here we have to find out ratio means m1 and m2 values. Find the ratio in which line segment joining the points line segments joining the points. What are these two points? Minus 3, 10, 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Minus 1, 6. So here we have to find out the ratio means m1 and m2 values which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. So these are the second type of problems in this exercise 7.2. So up to first to third problems, what we did? They are given here m1 and m2 values. We calculated coordinates of this point, the point which is dividing the line segment. But here, what they are given? Here they are given coordinates of points. Coordinates of point which is dividing the line segment. But here we have to find out this value. This value means m1 and m2. The ratio in which this point is dividing the line segment. So now what we will do? I will consider this point as A and this is point B and this point as C. So now consider let C of minus 1, 6 here, let C of minus 1, 6 divides line AB in the ratio, let C of minus 1, 6 divides the line AB in the ratio. We will consider this ratio as K is to 1. Means we will assume that m1 value is K and m2 value is 1. So this divides point C divides AB in the ratio K is to 1 here. So now what we can write? Point C. So what is the section formula? m1 into x2, sorry, m1 into x1 plus m2 into m1 into x2. Or you can write it as, first we will write m1 into x2 because in all problems we have written like this only, means m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma like this only, m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So now what we will get here? What is m1 value? And here we will consider these values as x1, y1 and these values as x2, y2. Okay? So here, now m1 value is k. So m1 is k now and k into x2 value is 6 k into 6 plus m2 value is 1, therefore 1 into what is x1 value? Minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. This is for x coordinate. Now we will write it for y coordinate. So for y coordinate, what is the formula? m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here m1 value is k. Here I will write below this. m1 value is k and y2 value is minus 8 plus m2 value is 1 and y1 value is 10 divided by again k plus 1. m1 plus m2 means k plus 1 only. So now we will simplify this. See here, k into 6 means what we will get? 6k, and 1 into minus 3 means what we will get? Minus 3. Okay, divided by k plus 1, comma, like this only. Here for y coordinate, k into minus 8 means minus 8k, 1 into 10 means plus 10 divided by k plus 1. I will write it as it is. So now we got x and y coordinate, but they are given in problem only. X and y coordinates are minus 1 comma 6. Here I will write, but the coordinates of C are, coordinates of this C are, what are those? Minus 1 comma 6. Minus 1 comma 6. Now we got to know that here this 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 should be equal to minus 1. Why? This we got by formula of section formula, which is for x coordinate and this is for y coordinate, and they are given in problem only. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. So this 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 should be equal to minus 1, and here this minus 8k plus 10 by k plus 1 should be equal to 6. Therefore here we can write that 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1 equal to minus 1. So now you can write it as, I will take this k plus 1 to right hand side. So now 6k minus 3, so while taking this it will be multiplied by minus 1, because here this is minus 1. So when you multiply with minus 1, k into minus 1 minus k, and plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So what you got? Minus k and minus 1. So now what we can do? To calculate this k value, I will take this k to left hand side. So 6k plus k means what you will get? 7k, and I will take this 3 to right hand side. 7k, and here when I move this 3 to right hand side, what it becomes? Plus. So 3 minus 1 means what you will get? 2. So 7k is equal to 2. Means now to calculate k value, what we will get? K is equal to 2 by 7. So what we did here? We moved this 7 to right hand side, so it becomes division. So 2 by 7. We got the value of k. Therefore, ratio is we consider as k is to 1. Now value of k is 2 by 7 is to 1. This can be considered as 2 is to 7. Here this 7 is taken to right hand side, so it is 2 is to 7. Therefore M1 is equals to 2 and M2 is equals to 7. So now what we calculated here, this point C divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 7. Listen carefully what they have given here. This line AB is divided by the coordinate minus 1 comma 6. So we have to find out this ratio, means M1 and M2. So for this we assume that this coordinate C of minus 1 comma 6 divides this line AB in the ratio K is to 1. We assume that K is to 1, means K value is M1 and M1 value is K and M2 value is 1. By using this, we assume that K is to 1, M1 and M2 value, and we have here x1 y1 values and x2 y2 values. So now by using this, by section formula, what we got, x and y coordinate values here. 6k minus 3 divided by k plus 1, this is for x coordinate, and here minus 8k plus 10 divided by k plus 1, this is for y coordinate. But in problem they have given that coordinates of point C are, what are those? Minus 1 comma 6. In problem only they are given. Therefore this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. This minus 1 should be equal to this value and this 6 should be equal to this value. So to calculate that ratio, means M1 and M2 value, we will consider this 6k minus 3 by x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So now we will take this k plus 1 to right hand side, and by calculating what we will get, k is equal to 2 by 7. So what we consider ratio is k is to 1. So k value is 2 by 7 here, means we can write it as 2 is to 7. Therefore M1 value is 2 and M2 value is 7 is the answer. So now in fifth problem what they are given here, find the ratio in which the line segment joining A of 1 comma minus 5 and B of minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. So again we have to find out M1 and M2 values and also find the coordinates of the point of division. So here they are not given coordinates of line of division also, point of division also. Here consider, for example, this is the line and one point A, coordinates of point A 1 comma minus 5, coordinates of point B minus 4 comma 5, 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. So this is divided by the x-axis. So also find the, means divided by x-axis means we have to find out this ratio M1 and M2 and also find the coordinates of the point of division. Suppose for example consider this point P and we have to find out coordinates of point P, and they have given here that divided, and this line is divided by x-axis, means this point is on x-axis only, and we all know that always on x-axis there will be some value for x coordinate, but y coordinate will be 0. Listen carefully why I have written here x comma 0. This line AB is divided on x-axis in ratio M1 is to M2. So if it is dividing on x-axis, then this point should be, for x coordinate there will be some value I have considered here as x, and y coordinate should be 0 only, because always on x axis y coordinate value is 0. So P is considered as x comma 0 here. So now consider ratio like before, only k is to 1. So now we'll consider this m1 and m2 value as k is to 1, and we have the values of x1, y1 and x2, y2. Here these are the values x1, y1, and I will consider this as x2, y2. Okay. So now by using suction formula, what we can write here? m1 into x2 plus m2 into x1 divided by m1 plus m2 for x coordinate, like that only m1 into y2 plus m2 into y1 divided by m1 plus m2 for y coordinate. So now here for point P, m1 value is considered as k and x2 value is, what is x2 value? Minus 4. So k into minus 4 plus m2 value is 1 and x1 value is 1 here divided by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1. This is for x coordinate, and now for y coordinate, what is m1 value? m1 value is k and y2 value is, what is y2 value? 5 plus, what is m2 value? 1 into y1 value is minus 5 divided by m1 plus m2 means k plus 1 again. So now P of, we will simplify this, k into minus 4 means minus 4k we will get, and 1 into 1 means 1 and divided by k plus 1 comma k into 5 means what we will get? 5k, and here 1 into minus 5 means what we will get? Minus 5 divided by k plus 1. So now again, what coordinates of point P are? What are those? X comma 0. So here, but coordinates of P are x comma 0. So here what we know? We don't know the value of x coordinate. So this is considered as x here, but the y coordinate value is 0. Because this line segment AB is divided on x axis, so x coordinate is considered as x and the value of y coordinate is 0. So we know that y coordinate value is 0. So now here also this y coordinate is equals to this 0. Like in previous problem, what we did, we considered x coordinate values. These two are equal. Like that only these two are also equal. Okay? But here we will not consider these two values, x coordinate values. Why? Here we don't know the value of k, and here we don't know the value of x. So we cannot calculate the value of k because we don't know k and x values. But here we have y coordinate value as 0. So I will consider here 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1, therefore equals to 0. So now what we can write here? I will take this k plus 1 to right hand side. What it becomes? When I take this, I will multiply with 0. So k plus 1 into 0 means 0 only. When you multiply anything with 0, what you will get? 0 only. So 5k minus k, 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. So now what we can do? To calculate this k value, I will move this 5 to right hand side. What it becomes? 5k is equals to 5. So now to get this k value, again I will move this 5 to right hand side. Therefore 5 divided by 5 means what we will get? 5 on the 5 on the. Therefore k value is equals to 1. So now the ratio is therefore ratio is 1 is to 1. Here we got the value 1 only. Therefore the ratio should be 1 is to 1. In previous previous problem what we got? 2 by 7 k value. So the ratio is 2 is to 7. Okay. But here we got 1 means the ratio is 1 is to 1. Okay. So now if the ratio is 1 is to 1, then this point P is midpoint of line AB. This point P is midpoint. Why? Because the ratio is 1 is to 1. Here M1 value is also 1 and M2 value is also 1. So this P divides AB into equal 2 parts. So this P should be midpoint. So P is midpoint of line segment AB. And now to calculate this x value, what we can do? We know that this P is midpoint of AB. So now what we can do? P of, will add these two values, minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2. What we will get? We will get midpoint, x coordinate of midpoint here, because we considered x coordinate only, minus 4 and 1. Okay, minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 means x coordinate of midpoint. Okay, so like that only here y2 y1 plus y2 by 2 means 5 plus or minus, here they have given minus 5 plus minus of 5, you can write it minus plus of minus 5 also, because what we are doing here x1 plus x2 by 2, but here I consider first x2 plus x1, both are same, x2 plus x1 or x1 plus x2. So first I have written minus 4 here, minus 4 plus 1 by 2, like that only. 5 plus into bracket minus 5 divided by 2. So what we will get here? Minus 4 plus 1 means what you will get? Minus into plus minus, and minus into plus minus means we have to subtract. 4 minus 1 means 3 by 2, and here in minus 4 and plus 1, the sign in front of bigger value is minus, therefore minus 3 we will get. Minus 3 by 2 is the value of x coordinate, and here 5 plus of minus 5 means plus into minus, what do we get? Minus 5. So plus 5 minus 5 means what do we get? 0 by 2. Here 5 plus into minus 5 by 2 means 5 minus 5 what will get? 0 divided by 2. 0 by anything what you will get? 0 divided by anything, answer is 0. So minus 3 by 2 comma 0 are the coordinates of point P. So here minus 3 by 2 is the value of x, and before only you considered y coordinate as 0 only, and here also we got value as 0 only. Okay. So what we did here, we calculated the ratio means m1 and m2 values. Here we got 1 for the k value, therefore the ratio is 1 is to 1. If the ratio is same, means this P is dividing this line AB in the equal lengths, means it will divide this AB into two equal parts. Therefore, this P is midpoint of AB here. Okay. So to calculate coordinates of point P by midpoint, what we will do? Minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 and plus 5 minus 5 divided by 2. So the coordinates of point P are minus 3 by 2 and 0. So I hope you all are clear with these two problems. In the next class, I will continue with sixth problem of exercise 7.2. Thank you all.